In this video, we will learn how to order a birth certificate, death certificate, or marriage certificate or a civil partnership certificate. It's very easy. You just need to register yourself with GRO. GRO stands for General Register Office. On this website, you have the option order a certificate or PDF, which includes enter your details or GRO reference number, a paper certificate that can be used officially as an identification. The next option is order a digital image. Another one is view recent order, contact GRO, check or update my details, find out more about, search the GRO index. Now without wasting time, let me show you how to end up on this web page. So the first step is just go on gov.uk. In the search section, just write order a birth certificate. Click search. You will land up on this link, order a birth, death, marriage or a civil partnership certificate. Click this link. Next, click start now. This will take around 10 minutes for whole application. First, you need to register. Go down over here, register or login. If you already got the registration, that's good. If you don't, then you can click register as an individual. It's very easy. When you click this, this will ask you about email address, your password, details, for example, your name, address. And then once you have read the terms and conditions, go down, you have the last option. I confirm that I have read and accept the terms. Click this one as well. Yes, I agree. And then click submit. Once your account is validated and registered, you will land up on this page. Click order a certificate. Let's suppose you want a birth certificate. So the first question is, where was the event registered? Let's suppose England, and you're looking for a birth certificate. You'll click birth. Then you have the option, when was the event registered? Year in which the event was registered. So let's suppose year 2000. How can the event be identified? Before you contact GRO for assistance, please refer to the how to order videos here. Over here, I know the GRO index reference. If you have the index reference, that's fine. You will click on this one, year of birth registered. Then the next question is detail of the person in the entry required, the one which you need. So surname at birth, forename, date of birth, place of birth, father, parent surname, father, parent forename, mother's maiden name, mother's surname at the time of birth, mother forename. Reference information from GRO index. So year, district, name and number, entry number, DRO, date of registration. If the index is incorrect and the GRO are unable to locate an entry, a refund will be provided minus £4 administrative fee. And otherwise you will get cost. The certificate itself is standard is £12.50, dispatched on the 4th working day from the receipt of the order. If you want priority, you will pay £38.50, dispatch next day from the receipt of the order. You have the option delivery method by post, Royal Mail next day delivery, Royal Mail Saturday 9 AM or DHL overseas delivery. And if you are struggling to find the reference information from the GRO index, for example entry number, then click this link and watch this video. This video explains you that how you can get all these information. I have put the link of this video in the description of my video. Also this video is on my channel. You can watch and help yourself. Now let me show you the interesting part, how to find your birth certificate online. So let's suppose you're looking for your birth certificate. Just click on the search the GRO index, click on birth, select the year. So let's suppose 1985, enter the surname Khan, let's suppose, and then exact match, the mandatory field, you're looking for the surname and the male. Click search and you will have all the records over here. So you can see all these records. So let's suppose, for example, Amar Khan. So click on this one, click search. So this is where the GRO reference. So DOR QR1985 in Bury 0031C, volume 48, page number this. Order this entry, click certificate. Now this will come up automatically. Fill all the details. Click over here. We want by Royal Mail. So this option is just so if you go for priority option, then you have all these options. So if you want next day, click on this one, then enter the reference of the application, type of reference you want. If you don't have, leave it, click submit. That's how simple is that. So in short, GRO is one of the best website you should know for all these details. If you have come to my channel first time, don't forget to subscribe. I've created loads of videos. All my content is from gov.uk. I'm not a solicitor, not a consultant. I'm just showing you how you can use gov.uk to solve your problem. If you have any question, put that in comment section and I'll get back to you.